Shall we?
Yeah.
It's party. Come on. Oh, we have an exciting video today, you guys.
Are y'all ready? I said, are y'all ready?
Aaron, commence opening the box. You got a box right here.
Right here?
While you're opening it,
This one.
I'm gonna start making you guys a tasty treat. This is Braille cooking.
Wow.
Episode 1.
I'm so excited. Pocket full of sunshine and wow, wait. The letter. Hey, Braille, here's a vintage waffle iron to skate. This thing is old. How old? We won't ask. The original version of this didn't make it. Both sides were bolted together, but it turned out to be too fragile to hold any real weight. It's now attached to Amazon's best deck, trucks, and wheels.
Oh, yes.
Have fun, Tom. P.S. No shoutouts necessary, not on social media, not selling anything. P.S.S. If it breaks, just have breakfast.
If it's too heavy, what do you mean? What kind of pancakes you cooking?
Oh!
You hooked us up?
They hooked us up with waffle mix.
Hold up.
These are waffle.
Hold
Wait,
up a second.
comment down below. Waffles or pancakes?
What is this?
Yeah, leave it down below. Waffles or pancakes. But hold on, it's bolted so we can't smush it. How are we gonna, we're gonna kind of make pancake waffles.
Well, I have a solution to your problem.
Tell me.
When we were at Target the other day, we saw something that really reminded us of Carlos, and it was the world's smallest waffle maker.
What?
Mini is mighty. Take that as a compliment.
Mini is mighty. So,
Yeah.
First fry.
Dude, they
Oh my god, that's incredible.
Canned bacon.
Aaron, you gotta eat this.
Canned bacon.
Why, because it says Yoders?
No, it's canned bacon. We didn't buy it that day, but I went back and bought the world's tiniest waffle maker for Carlos.
Wow.
What I was thinking is that you can use the blowtorch to heat this up and then crack an egg on it.
Are you serious?
You could probably eat about half of this before you got full.
Yeah. Smoke in a can.
Kickflip blah.
What have I done?
It blew up on him. Dude, look at me.
This will be the first waffle that has ever been flipped. Oh dear.
No tail? Impossible? Nothing's impossible. It's impossible.
Scared. Oh, it's possible.
He's got it. I love that he put his foot back on there.
I landed it.
We're gonna bend this nose and tail up a little bit. Oh, yeah. Now it has pop. What in the world? Carmen Sandiego.
It's because he already has all the ingredients to make waffles.
Because he got the waffle maker.
I just bent the tail down. How did you do that?
Hey, you were
Wow.
I can see why their design failed. The whole thing is metal, and if it's hot, the handles are gonna be hot because they're metal.
So wear gloves.
You broke it.
Oh no.
Dude, Carlos, you've been hitting the gym? How'd you just pull that off with your bare hand?
Yeah, that's right. Told you I could do it.
Tail.
You're like the Hulk. You just, oh yeah, let me just rip this metal straight off.
All right, I got you.
Does this not look like a dead fish, like skeleton? Or like a sardine or something?
True.
It looks, yeah.
Oh wow.
The waffle reveal.
Wow.
So much batter.
I made the entire box.
Why?
You're gonna have 100.
Are we good?
Oh.
Ooh.
Take a bite.
Boy, you're gonna have 100 waffles.
How is it?
It's not bad.
Oh, dang, I want to try one.
Oh, yeah.
Ow. You just throw a waffle at my ear?
Ground, please.
Savage mode, dude.
Is it good?
It's good, isn't it?
Morning, I'm making waffles.
I'm dropping in.
Turkey bacon.
It's kind of difficult because I didn't leave much of a nose or a tail.
Gotta post this on my Instagram. Filming duty has turned to waffle duty. I want to see this beautiful creation. This beautiful creation. Wow! Oh. Taste test. Wow. That tastes like your morning cafe waffle without the syrup and the butter. Y'all need to try this waffle. I'll make, hey, Fetty, your waffle's coming up next. I'm gonna chuck it across the warehouse and you gotta catch it.
Carlos is like, all right, guys, I'm leaving. And Gabe's like, no, just stay for this one last video.
Fetty, your waffle's coming up next.
Act like at the wrong time. That's all I did wrong.
Gonna try that axle stall again.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah.
Fetty! I got your waffle! You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah!
There she blows. Tray flip off for the ender.
All right, hashtag notification squad. How many times does it take Fetty to land a tray flip on the waffle iron? Make sure that you are subscribed, like, share the video, and have your notifications turned on. Leave it in the comments below. Hashtag notification squad with your guess. We will pick one winner and send you an incredible notification squad prize package. It just all of a sudden got really cold.
We should heat that up first and then do it.
Right?
Almost broke it in my nose.
Come on, boy.
My body done hurt.
Trey, don't flip it.
I done hurt my head from my butt yesterday, okay?
Next time that happens, take advantage of it. Pop it off.
Let it rip, Fatty. Let it rip, okay?
Oh, let it flip.
Okay.
Oh. There's not much of a thing to pop off of. I mean, look at what I'm popping off of.
No, sir, that's all you got.
Putting all my waffles in one basket right here. Well, see, all that is in my head is like Final Destination. One of these waffle irons is, I'm flicking, and it's just. That's all that's in my brain right now.
Let's go!
I done did it.
My turn.
That waffle went straight to my body, and I gotta poop.
I'm gonna go get the fire.
He's going for the 5.
How did that ever happen?
Yeah.
Right now, I'm gonna have the world's first fried egg on a skateboard. Oh, yeah.
Am I at Benihana's?
Talk about a thumbnail. It's just butter, okay? Butter ain't gonna explode. Oh! It's working! It's working, Gabe! Oh my gosh. Fried egg on Friday. Braille baking. Dude, it's really going. Look at it. I'm really proud of myself.
Oh! Oh!
I don't smell nothing except for some delicious breakfast. Get the fork! Fried egg. Oh no, oh no. Man down. Braille house, oh no.
I gotta cook it on the floor.
See? Fully cooked it.
Yeah.
Whoa, egg waffle.
Take a bite.
Eat it.
Take a bite! Yeah!
Eat the Cheeto.
Carlos is hungry. It's been a long day.
Yeah, Carlos! Yeah!
Interesting.
We had a mistake.
Good.
This is amazing.
This ground's so clean, you can eat off of it.
I've never seen an egg yolk looking like that though. Look at it.
No. Hold on.
No, Aaron! No, stop! Why? Stop! Why? It's fine! How is this happening?
It's butter! I don't need you. I got my own torch. Boom!
Carlos, dinner's ready. Explosion. That's enough. We done made a mess.
Don't
That's like
puncture
a hockey
that yolk.
puck.
Get the yolk up.
Oh no.
Oh no,
Oh
Gabe.
no.
Gabe.
Oh no. What have I done? The mice are gonna have a party tonight.
All right, Waffle Country, we hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did. It's so steaming. Oh my God, it's so hot. We had a lot of fun making this video. We hope you had a lot of fun watching it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We want each and every single one of you guys to learn how to skateboard. So go get a skateboard, learn how to skateboard. Anything you need having to do with skateboarding is there at BrailleSkateboarding.com. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the absolute best. I'll see you next time.